Hey everybody, it's Donnie from Adex Club. Today's workout is a simple one. You're going to use lightweight. You're going to do 5 sets of 10 repetitions non-stop. So that means you do 10 repetitions on your right hand, switch over to your left hand, do those 10 repetitions, go back to the right hand, continue it going for the whole length of the workout. Anyway, to begin the workout today, it's going to be side swings. 5 sets of 10 reps on each side. Just pass it along and start going right into the other side, just like that. Next exercise is going to be side swing to side clean. Remember, keep it going. Right hand to left hand and pass it back and forth, just like that. From there, you're going to switch over to your right hand. You're going to do side cleans. And then you're going to go into a side strike. 10 reps each arm. From there, you're going to go to your left hand, and then you're going to change over to a front strike. Bring it up. Simple, right? So far, use a lightweight club. Then rest 5 minutes or so. Go right into outside mills. And then switch over and do inside mills. Those are going to be 100 reps, any way you can get there. If you got to do them in sets of 5, sets of 10, sets of 25. If you could do all 100 in a shot, do it like that. Do your outside mills first and then your inside mills. That's your workout for today. Tell me how it goes. Peace.